In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix games not opening in full screen here on Windows. This can be super annoying because the Windows taskbar stays visible and you're not fully using your screen. If this guide does help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now there's two ways to do this. What we're going to do first is go over a way that'll fix it for every game, and then we're going to be going over like game specific settings that you're going to want to turn on as well. But let's just go ahead and pretend that, I don't know, I guess Roblox is the game that we want in full screen. Essentially, go ahead and find the game's desktop shortcut or just the shortcut in general and just right click on it. And then you're going to see a properties option on here. Go ahead and select that. From here, you're going to see a compatibility tab. Go ahead and choose that. And in this option, what you're looking for is a disable full screen optimizations tab right here. Go ahead and check this option, hit apply, and then hit OK. If it's already checked, try unchecking it and then hit apply and OK again. After this, open up that game and it should properly launch in full screen. That being said, in most games, if you actually open it up and then go into the game's settings as well, and for Roblox, it's a little bit different, but essentially you'll be able to go specifically into the settings for whatever game it might be. And in the settings itself, you're going to see an option to go into full screen mode. Essentially, just go into full screen, and as soon as you enable that, the game's going to go full screen immediately, just like so. You can also just press F11 and it should launch it in full screen as well, and you could just hit that again to close out of it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.